day number 9 in the 14-day passive income challenge. Today we're going to discuss number 6 in the leverage part of the ALM model, which stands for attract, leverage, and manage, which is tax efficiency versus non-tax efficiency. Is it something important for you to consider in your passive income planning, or is it something that's not so important? Stay tuned. Tax efficiency versus non-tax efficiency. It's something that's mind-blowing when you think about it, how much money is going to waste in taxes when you don't need to pay the taxes. All you need to do is be aware, be focused, try to find ideas, try to find strategies that you can implement in your passive income planning that's tax efficient. And don't think it's something that you should be passive about, as you're going to learn in a minute. I'm going to take for this example somebody who invests money and has a portfolio of $100,000. Again, I'm just taking this as an example. Same thing as a million, the same thing as a billion. It doesn't really matter. And also what I'm going to assume for this conversation, that the person is paying 50% in taxes. Now I know most people are not paying exactly 50%, maybe 30, maybe some people 25, but for this example, just for simplicity reasons, understand we're going to talk about taxable income that's taxed at a 50% rate. Now, let's assume this person took his $100,000 and it grew to a certain number. How much did it grow to? Let's take an example, the rule of 72. You take 72, you divide it by the interest rate on the money, and that will tell you how long it will take for the money to double. So let's assume we're talking about a rate of return of 10%. So you take 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2. That means that in 7.2, your initial $100,000, after 7.2 years, that should be worth $200,000. The question is, how much of the $200,000 is yours versus how much belongs to our rich uncle, Uncle Sam? And I'll tell you how much, because we're assuming a 50%, which makes it easy for me to show it to you. But the concept is true with any number that you're going to tell me. If it's 50%, that means that $100,000 belongs to Uncle Sam and $100,000 belongs to you. Okay, thank you so much for being such a great partner. Of course, you're going to tell me now that you don't have to pay taxes in a lump sum. You can pay every year, which you might be right. Depends on the investment strategy you do. But even if you pay it every year, at the end of the day, this is what ends up costing you if it's a non-tax efficient strategy. If you do it in a tax efficient strategy, if you delay the taxes, you defer it, you have strategies that will help you end up taking out the money tax-free, something like that, or it gives you tax benefits along the way, tax deductions, things like that, then you come out so much far ahead of the game. It's very important when you plan your passive income life foundation that you should consider tax efficiency as being very important in your passive income life foundation. Thank you for being with me in this day 9 of the 14-day passive income challenge. I'm looking forward being with you throughout the 14 days.